Hi, I'm Jackie from Jangle Arts and Designs, and this is my first YouTube video, and I'm making it as part of a design team project. I made a junk journal, but now I'm just going to show you a few images of the kit. Some of them are already been cut as I'm using it for a project, but you can see the lovely butterflies and bouquets on the page. And then we've got a blue and a purple and a greenish background page. And here's half of a beautiful design, fine detailed cup. It's beautiful. And then we've got pockets here, pre-designed, just ready to cut out and put into your journal. So this journal is not a traditional journal. It's made from laminated paper, and the dangle is also a laminated part of the digital kit. My laminator sucked up my paper and got it stuck around the roller, so I had to repurpose the part of the kit that was damaged like this, and I decided to use it for dangles. The cover I decided to use like this because it gives a see-through appearance, and it just made the butterflies more charming. I added a crocheted border around the plastic of the lamination just to give it a more homely look. On this side I made a little pocket out of a part of the kit and added a few blingy butterflies and just called it Paradise because butterflies reminds me of paradise. This is a lace that I added to soften the next page. When I turn it around, you can see this beautiful, vibrant image that was designed, and it's got vibrant colors and softened by the lilacs. Just really beautiful. I also used stenciling in my kit to cover blank spaces. I added pockets and felt hearts, and yeah, I made a card from pieces of the kit and I laminated it and sewed around the edges. Here I've got another crinkle cut tag. On this side I added more of the beautiful images. These give me remind me of special memories made with friends over drinking a cup of tea. On this side I've got two flip pockets, and I added a journal card with music at the back. This is coffee dyed paper of my own stash. It's not part of the kit, but it just gives the journal a more vintage appearance. On this side I added a journal paper which I resized and made it into a card. Here is a doily pocket I made, and with a fairy on it, but I cut off her wings as I'm not into fairies and those type of images. And I called this girl Emerge. She's emerging into womanhood. And here's a beautiful crocheted border I made and a laminated tag. I think this all gives the page a lot of charm. Here's a little bird from the kit that I made a nice tag with, also reminding me of a pet bird. So I always, when I make a journal, it's always personal. There's always memories of my life added to it. Here's a space where I can write some notes. And then I added butterfly quotes throughout the journal, which describes my emotions and the movement and the beauty of a butterfly. On this side I made a flower, but I just had to compress it a bit because it made the journal a bit bulky. And then I called these little butterflies Fly Darling. And here's another journal page. And when you turn it around, you see I've got another one of these. I just love this girl. And I made a few embellishments and decorations around her and used embossing paper also. And this page says, butterflies are nature's angels. They remind us what a gift it is to be alive. Isn't that so true? On this page, I made a large pocket and I added a postcard and with a stamp that I put on and an embellishment. This page I decided to leave just as it is for future quotes and stuff I wanted to add. Yeah, I used her again. She just is so beautiful to me. And she says, just like the butterfly, I too will awaken in my own time. Then when we turn around this page, I added bits and pieces from the kit here. And I called it Flutter because there are many butterflies just fluttering in my imagination and on the page. And I made a little card that I put through the laminator and sewed around the edges. And this is just a woolly dangle just to give the page more vibrancy. Here I made a pocket, a laminated pocket, and I added a freebie from Stacy McDaniel's group Crafty Dragon Creations. And I think the freebie is still available. Here's a flip page, and I just added a little card there. It's blank, so I can still fill it up or give it as a card to a friend. On this side, when I open up my flip page, oh, I see this glue has come off. I've got to add some glue there. I made a pocket here, and I added music paper and another freebie. And I made a die-cut card, which I laminated and sewed around the edges. Here's my waterfall card that I made from images from the kit. And here at the top, you can see this is part of the kit that I cut out. And this is actually a hidden paper clip I made. And on the front, I put the word hope and a few bits and pieces from the kit, as well as from my own stash, and the little flower. And then the envelope I made, I put on a wax seal and a bit of the kit. And when you turn around the envelope, just look how beautiful that scrap looks in there. There's so many ideas we can think of to make our creations even more beautiful. Then when you turn around this page, more space for journaling. Here's a belly band with a crocheted flower and a lovely tag. And also another freebie. I love the texture and the colors that are used in this design. And then when you turn this page around, you've got a part of one of the full pages. I just kept it like this because it speaks for itself. On this side, I made a pocket, and I called it twirl because butterflies remind me of twirling ballerinas. Yeah, I made a tag, book tag, another crinkle cut tag, and a bit of feathers for funkiness. On this side is the little warm, charming house where memories are made, beautiful memories are made. And here's the little butterfly tag. And then when you turn my journal around, this last page, I cut off a part of one of the full pages and just used this abstract area for the colors and design. And I put this quote here. Butterflies, they are like dream flowers, childhood dreams, which have broken loose from their stalks and escaped into the sunshine. And then when you turn around, it's the other side of the full page with the beautiful, brilliant colors. And when I close my journal, it just gives a beautiful appearance. So this is my project I made, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be making more videos in the future, tutorials for beginners like me, and because I'm still new to the crafting community, but been arting a long time. And also I will be making flip throughs or sharing other projects I've made. Till we meet again, happy crafting.